Welcome to your Module 4 Multiplying and Dividing Decimals and Module 5 Adding and Subtracting Integers quiz. Please pause, play, and rewind this quiz as many times as necessary to listen to every question you need. Number 1. Alexis rode her bike 4 5/10 miles. Johnny rode his bike 8/10 times as far. How many miles did Johnny ride his bike? A. 3 6/10. B. 3 8/10. C. 4 4/10. D. 5 3/10. Number 2. How many 2/10 liter glasses of water are contained in a 3 6/10 liter pitcher? A. 18. B. 20. C. 30. D. 36. Number 3. Philip bought apples from the grocery store for $2.20 per pound. If he bought 2 5/10 pounds of apples on Monday and 1 2/10 pounds of apples on Tuesday, how much did he spend on apples in total? A. $2.64. B. $5.50. C. $8.14. D. $8.80. Number 4. Mara cut a 5 25/100 inch piece of string into pieces that are 75/100 inches long. How many pieces of string did she cut? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. Number 5. Shafiq measured a piece of construction paper to be 6 75/100 inches wide by 8 25/100 inches long. What is the area of the piece of construction paper in square inches? A. 48 1,875/10,000. B. 49 1/100. C. 55 5,125/10,000. Or D. 55 6,875/10,000. Number 6. Georgina works on the 30th floor of an office building. She took the elevator to the cafeteria on the 7th floor. How many floors did she travel? A. 7. B. 23. C. 30. D. 37. Number 7. Which of the following is modeled with the number line below? A. 1 plus -4. B. 1 plus -5. C. 1 minus -5. D. 1 minus -4. (8) Which number can be added to -4 to get a sum of 0? A. -4. B. 0. C. 1/4. D. 4. Number 9. A submarine's elevation is -14 feet relative to sea level. A shark is swimming at an elevation of -60 56 feet. What is the difference in elevation between the submarine and the shark? A. 42 feet. B. 56 feet. C. 60 feet. D. 70 feet. Number 10. Danny scored 10 points in the first round of a game. He then lost 20 points in the second round. In the final round, he earned 40 points. What was Danny's score at the end of the game? A. 10. B. 20. C. 30. D. 40. You have reached the end of your test. Please listen to this recording as many times as necessary to answer all of your tests. Once you have completed your test, please enter your answers into DMAC. Once you have completed entering your test into DMAC, turn your test with your scratch paper and review pages into your teacher.